I bought and tested these 3D printers so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Whether you're a hobbyist or just getting into 3D printing, finding a reliable printer is key. So let's dive into the top 5 best 3D printers under $300 that I think might just blow your mind. Product number 1, Flashforge Adventurer 5M. Let me tell you about my experience with the Flashforge Adventurer 5M. When I first unboxed this printer, I was immediately struck by its sleek design. Weighing in at just under 24 pounds, it's sturdy yet compact enough to fit comfortably on my desk. The automatic bed leveling feature was a game changer for me. I was always worried about getting the first layer right, but with the one-click auto leveling, all that anxiety vanished. I can remember my first print vividly. It was a simple vase design. Watching it come to life layer by layer was mesmerizing. The printer can handle speeds up to 600 millimeters per second, and I could see why. It was quick. The dual fan system kept everything cool, and the print quality was nothing short of impressive. I even tried multiple nozzle sizes, and each time the detail was outstanding. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the automatic bed leveling saves time and hassle. The print quality is remarkable, especially at high speeds. Plus, the user-friendly app allows me to monitor my prints remotely, which is fantastic. However, I did face one minor issue. The printer's weight makes it a bit cumbersome to move around, and the initial setup took longer than I'd hoped. Product number 2, Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro. Moving on to the Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro, I was excited to see how it stacked up against its predecessor. Right out of the box, the Pro model felt more robust, weighing in at 32.1 pounds. The first thing I noticed was the efficiency of its one-click auto printing system. I was able to start printing within 10 minutes of setup, which is pretty impressive. I had a complex prototype I was working on, and the 600 millimeters per second speed really helped bring my ideas to life without compromising on quality. The Core XY structure kept everything stable, and I was particularly impressed with the multiple nozzle sizes, which allowed me to switch up my print details seamlessly. Now let's discuss the pros and cons. The pros include the overall speed and build quality, along with the extensive material compatibility, which is a huge plus if you like experimenting. However, the price point is a bit higher than the Adventurer 5M, which may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. Next up is the Flashforge AD5X Multicolor 3D printer. Now, I was particularly excited about the multicolor printing capabilities. After setting it up, the first thing I printed was a simple multicolor keychain. Watching the printer seamlessly switch between colors was like magic. The one-click auto-leveling feature truly made a difference. It ensured that my prints had solid adhesion from the start. The 600 mm per s speed kept the process efficient, and the quality was consistently excellent. I could see the fine details in my prints, which is crucial for my more intricate designs. In terms of pros and cons, the multicolor printing feature is undoubtedly a highlight. It's great for artistic projects and makes your designs pop. The user-friendly features like remote monitoring through the Flashmaker app make printing a breeze. However, the printer is a bit bulky, so you need to ensure you have enough space. Product number 4, Flashforge AD5X with Intelligent Filament System, was an absolute joy to test. The first thing I noticed was how the IFS worked. Automatically detecting and refilling filament meant I could focus more on my designs rather than worrying about running out mid-print. I was able to create a complex model with intricate designs, and the print quality was out of this world. The vibrations were minimal thanks to the robust Core XY structure, and I appreciated the 300 degrees Celsius nozzle, which allowed me to work with a variety of materials. Looking at the pros and cons, the filament management system is a game changer. It minimizes downtime and keeps your workflow smooth. The overall print quality is top-notch, and the versatility of materials it can handle is impressive. However, it can be a little intimidating for beginners who might not be ready for such advanced features. Product number 5. Flashforge AD5X Multimaterial 3D Printer. I was particularly interested in its 4-color printing capabilities and how it handled various materials. Setting it up was straightforward, and I was quickly into my first print, a colorful model that showcased the printer's capabilities. The printing speed was impressive, and I loved how it maintained detail while switching colors. The auto-leveling feature ensured I didn't face any issues with adhesion, and the vibration suppression technology really helped in producing clean, accurate layers. In terms of pros and cons, the ability to print in multiple colors and materials is a standout feature, perfect for creative projects. The build quality is solid, and it has a compact design that saves space. On the downside, the learning curve might be a bit steep for those who are just starting. So why should you consider the AD5X multi-material printer? If you're looking to expand your creative horizons and want a reliable machine that can handle various materials and colors, this printer is an excellent investment. It will surely boost your productivity and creativity in 3D printing. In conclusion, if you're on a budget but still want quality in your 3D printing experience, any of these models will serve you well. They each offer unique features that can cater to your specific needs. So go ahead and pick one that speaks to you, and happy printing!